Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Realme 11 Pro. To do this, we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. First one is right here on the bottom, next is on top of the screen, and I think there's a speaker here as well. We're gonna check it anyway. So now we need to cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of the speakers, that means this phone does have a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming from all of the speakers, and this thing right here is also a speaker, as it seems. And I can confirm that this device does have a stereo speaker. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.